Today I'm going to teach you how to customize your Jotform AI agent avatar. This is a great way to personalize your agent's appearance and make it align with your brand or the specific role it plays in interacting with your users. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want to create or customize your AI agent, as this will determine which workspace and agents you have access to. After logging in, look to the upper left of the page where you'll see My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Agents. This is where all your existing AI agents live, and it's also where you'll create new ones if you're starting from scratch. In the upper left corner of the My Agents page, you'll find a button labeled Create Agent. Click on it to get started. You'll then be presented with several template options designed for different purposes, such as customer support, feedback collection, recruitment, or appointment scheduling. Choose the one that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, click Send to proceed. Now you'll need to wait a few seconds while Jotform loads and prepares your AI agent. This loading time is normal as the system sets up the Agent Builder interface for you. Once the AI Agent Builder appears on your screen, direct your attention to the right side of the page. Here you'll see a paint roller icon. This icon represents the designer tool, which is where all the visual customization happens. Click on it to open the designer window. This is where you can modify various aspects of your agent's appearance to make it more engaging and on-brand. Inside the designer window, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Avatar tab to access the avatar customization options. This tab contains a gallery of different avatar styles and characters that you can choose from. Take your time browsing through the available options until you find the avatar that best represents the personality and purpose of your AI agent. Once you've found the one you like, simply click on it to select it. The avatar will automatically update in your agent's design. Now that you've customized your avatar, it's important to see how it looks in action. At the top of the page, you'll find a preview button. Click on it to test your AI agent and see how the new avatar appears when users interact with it. This preview mode lets you ensure everything looks exactly the way you want before deploying your agent. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Jotform AI agent's avatar, giving it a unique appearance that suits your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.